Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is:
Please show work Lewis 2 dot structure electron pair geometry molecular shape polar nonpolar at 2sc. What type of intermolecular forces are between molecules of at 2sc? Explain why which would have the higher boiling. The answer of the question is at 2sc has a bent molecular shape, polar nature, and dipole intermolecular forces and a higher boiling point than at 2s due to stronger dipole interactions and larger atomic size. This is the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel.